heart set firm, me guard them close. Family first, me never boast. Bread get split, me and them open. Bad mind talk, but me still focus. From dirt road days to full plate night, me hustle clean, me keep it honest. Any man test get rough response. Me curse them hard, me not feel sorry. Me rise with them, who ride with me. Bloodline strong, me spine still solid. Promise me swear through fire rain. Me stand up tall, me not fall or slip. Ever steady, ready for war. Every day me pray for around me. Blessings flow heavy, pressure can't drown me. If hunger bite me, share every crumb. Real one save me, heart stay boundary. Any threat step wrong, get shut down swiftly. Me grind loud, me promise stay gritty. Love them fierce, me quote stay strictly. Till sun drop low, me do this still with me. Forever lie, already steady. True roots firm, true highway. Street right test me patience daily. Me laugh it off my part, move wavy. Golden soul, not chain or bracelet. Thought them cheap, me I'm still laser. The table there, me cook solution. No switch sides, a fast illusion. Me long sharp, me lyrics poison. Cross them line, me hands get violent. Still me up them close when I cool. Teach them trade me lessons. Truthful from your gate straight to sky ceiling. Me out like tide, me now start kneeling. Firm-minded, heart blazing, never bending, always standing. Me got them circle like iron. Bad vibes melt when me step in. If food scarce, plate still portion. No fake smiles, intention certain. Me work on hours, sleep short often. Sweat drip proof, me love spoken. Any storm rise, me farm fortress. Them under my wing feel protected. From dawn break till moon gone hiding. Me vows loud, my ways not sliding. Steady driven blood-bound roots grounding. Faith holding, spine unbroken. Trust sacred, always guarding, never folding again. Years teach cause but also wisdom. Me choose calm over full collision. Cash come go but loyalty stays. Me bank them souls not quick payday. When temper flare my vice get thunder. Crossing lines turn sweet to hunger. Me balance mercy with the raw action. Protective rage fuel my passion. From first cry to last breath given. Me road clear my path straight driven. If word turn cold me still warm them. Me strength shed out pump up in the Devon. Firm vow deep root solid. Grown always present standing ready here. All my life me live this duty. Them safe, my code pure view. If fools all me bear my teeth. Any dread, meet fierce relief. Me hands rough but heart sincere. Me walk fire, them stay clear. Till final note fades softly. Me promise soul eternally. Strongly grounded, roots deep. Vows heavy blood binding. Trust solid, never breaking. Always guarding family, circle sacred. Fully loaded, standing ready, steady, true.